In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome on a Windows 11 PC. Let's get started right from your desktop. First, make sure your computer is connected to the internet, since we'll be downloading Chrome from the web. On Windows 11, open your existing web browser. This is usually Microsoft Edge, which you can find on your taskbar at the bottom of the screen, or by clicking the Start button and searching for Edge. Once your browser is open, go to the address bar at the top of the window. Click inside that bar, delete anything that's already there, and type google.com/chrome. Then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the official Google Chrome download page, which helps make sure you're getting the real, up-to-date version and not a copy from somewhere else. On the Chrome download page, you'll see a prominent button that says Download Chrome. Go ahead and click that. A small window may appear asking you to confirm the download or showing the terms of service. You can quickly review those if you like, then click to accept and continue. At this point, your browser will start downloading the Chrome installer file. In most cases, you'll see this file appear at the bottom of your browser window, or you can find it in your Downloads folder. When the download is finished, click on the installer file. If you don't see it in the browser, open File Explorer. Go to your Downloads folder and double-click the file named something like Chrome Setup. Windows may show a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is normal for installers. Choose Yes to continue. Now the Chrome installer will open and begin downloading the necessary files and installing the browser. You usually don't need to change any options here. Just wait while it completes. This may take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. When the installation is done, Google Chrome will open automatically. You'll see the Chrome window with a search bar in the middle. From here, you can sign in with a Google account if you want to sync your bookmarks and history. Or you can skip that step for now. Finally, if you'd like to make Chrome easier to access, right-click its icon on the taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. You can also set it as your default browser from within Chrome settings or Windows settings later on. And that's all you need to install Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC.